Hello, friends. I am Sanjay Gupta, numerologist, health wealth expert, and motivational speaker. In the last video, in short, we discussed about the healthy diet. Today, we are discussing in detail and in depth analysis कि क्यों हमने ये डाइट लेनी है. जब हम कारण समझेंगे तो अच्छे से हम उस चीज़ को अपनी लाइफ में अपनी डाइट पैटर्न के अंदर फॉलो कर पाएंगे. हमने कहा कि वी शुड हैव 3 meals a day and the gap between the 2 meals should be 4 to 5 hours. Important thing is कि जब आप खाना खाएं chew it 32 times. आप खाना खाने में अपना समय दें at least 30 to 40 minutes. You should be a slow eater. जब आप अपने खाने को चबा के खाते हैं तो you improve your metabolism, you improve your digestion, and there is a satiety, feeling of fullness for a long time. Adequate water intake is must. That removes toxins from our body. If water intake is less, toxins will not be removed and skin starts loosening. Skin face से sag हो जाएगी, body fat लटक जाएगा. In snacks, we should not take simple carbohydrates like white bread or maida. Sugar in these simple carbohydrates rise steeply and goes down very fast. तो भूख भी जल्दी जल्दी लगती है. And if you take complex carbohydrates, they takes longer time to digest. भूख नहीं लगती है. And there is a satiety for longer time. The simple carbohydrates are bread, maida, and complex carbohydrates are like jaw, barley, vegetables, fruits, and salad. In our food, protein should be more and carbohydrate should be less. This is a golden principle. लेकिन हमारी इंडियन मेंटेलिटी क्या है कि एक कटोरी दाल से 3-4 रोटी खानी है, दाल कम खानी है. तो more of carbs is going inside and less is protein. Idea is to reverse. To break this myth, we have to take more of dal and less of roti. There is a satiety for a longer time. Our myth is another very important myth in society कि प्रोटीन की ज़रूरत उनको है who are athletes, bodybuilders, who do aerobics, who are going in the gyms. But the fact is that whether male or female, protein intake should be for everybody to increase the muscle mass, to build the immunity, and to maintain the energy levels. Indians normally take more of carbs and less of proteins. And many younger generation we found that they don't take fat, they are on zero fat. This is the major cause of body weakness. Oils are very important. They are wonderful. Desi ghee is best lubricant and very effective in joint pain and in arthritis. Cooking coconut oil and mustard oil is best for cooking. Good fat is very important. Thumb rule is 1 kg of body weight, there should be 1 gram of protein. For instance, if you are 80 kg, then you should consume 80 gram of proteins every day, जो normally हमारी diet patterns में नहीं होता. Similarly, water intake, there should be per kg body weight 35 ml of water should be consumed. Suppose you are 100 kg, you should consume 3.5 liter of water every day. So these are the 2 thumb rules for protein and water intake. In breakfast, you can take nuts, besan ka chila, paneer, tofu. They are good source of protein. Poha and upma. A glass of milk and mango shake, because milk will provide you protein and mango provides you sugar, which is a natural sugar and does not give spikes. In lunch, you should take sprouts, lobia, rajma, chana, salad. Rice is good in lunch. You can take curd, they provides good bacteria for digestion. And in dinner, protein. For protein, you can take chicken breast and veggie, and protein should be more than carbs again. Paneer, tofu, soybean, oyster mushroom, shiitake mushroom, brown rice. And our dinner should finish by 8 p.m. Take one apple a day, keeps the doctor away. Why this particular thing, one apple a day? Because apple is a complete fruit which provides macronutrients, carbs and proteins. Apple provides micronutrients, vitamins and minerals, and apple also provides polyphenols. The polyphenols decrease cholesterol and uric acid in body, improves metabolism, and helps to increase digestion and bowel movement. Finally, three time food with protein, more of protein, carbohydrates should be in moderation, and good fats. With micro and macronutrients, with complete hydration, fruits, salads, nuts, and everything in moderation will give you healthy, active, dynamic, energetic life, and you will remain young and good looking for a long time. Thank you, friends.